In this video, we will learn how to use slide sorter view in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint, and here you can see I have a one slide here. So I'm going to add here the title PND Tech, and in subtitle I just add here the zone. Okay, now I'm going to use the slide sorter view. Go to the view tab and click on in presentation view, click on the slide sorter view. I just click on here and you can see the view of slide sorter. I just use the Control Z to undo the action, and I add here the one more slide. Just right click on it, click on the new slide. Again I just click on the duplicate slide. Again I just add one new slide. Okay, so these are the 4 slides available here. Suppose if you want to, suppose you are doing the presentations, and if you want to see the view on slide sorter, so you can easily check your presentation quickly, check your all slides. Okay, so go to the view tab and in presentation view just click on the slide sorter, and you can see the slide sorter view. So this way you can check the one by one slides here in this sorter. Okay, so this is a way, it is helpful to when you're doing the presentation in PowerPoint to view your slides, your presentation in slide sorter view. So hope you understand. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.